Hello, Daddy. This is MB1 room 1. Cleaning and trying to feed them this morning. MB2 and MB1 room 2. As you can see, the pig urine is really wet in the area. They can really pee a lot because they are pregnant. Here we have 2 big brother here. They black and they white. 2 big brother. Only this one is not yet pregnant. So this is MB1 room 2. We have 2 big brother in it. Our TD will transfer 1 MB1, MB2. So here is TD. Here is 2. MB1 room 2 and 3. Room 3 days. As I speak now, our 2 female pigs are all pregnant. Yes, they are all pregnant now. So total we have 5 pregnant pigs on our farm now. Yeah, and this month we'll be expecting piglets. And 3 months from now we'll be expecting enough piglets from our remaining 4 pigs. So this is MP1 from Chile. MP1 4. Our China's are pig. Now we know that getting fresh air. The papa said I should leave it just that I having plastic. But he said I should remain that so fresh air can be coming. So as we see it's still but we having plastic here to close it. All the way. I will try to begin my video that place. Korean MB2. MB2 room 1. MB2 room 1. Where we have our pregnant pig. In there is where we can put the food. Then we put the water in the hay pen. Here the vet said we should keep it like this so it can drop on the ground. When it drop, by the time it drop, today we can take it from there. Or if it drop like 1 week, then we take the wood shaving from there. But we should leave the wood shaving there so it can drop on it. So that's why we're keeping it inside for. So this is room 1. This is our pig that we will be expecting anytime in the month. You get the other, don't piece about the other. Room 2. Room 2 is empty. Our turkeys when they hatch, put in there. Our chicks, put in there. Room 3. Yeah, we're keeping a place that for our dog and chicken to be laying in here as we speak, as you see in there. This is one of our dog on egg. She on egg, she's setting now. And this is one of our dog laying here again. And inside, one of our chicken is started laying in here. Okay, started laying. So here, when the dog won't lay, they can't find a spot they lay. Anyone lay, they find spot. Chicken won't lay, they find spot. So that what maintain me, they wood shaving in here for. And the door remain open 24/6. Anyone want to lay, you just go and take your spot and lay. So move to room 4. Here you go back, here you go back. These are our piglets, our surviving piglets. Call them survival, yeah, just back. No getting us. This is all 5. See there? Just on cleaning in there where we put in the food. In there we put in the food. I don't put the water. Because if you put the food in the hay pen, you set it down, they will waste off in the hay pen, so we decide to put it in there. So this is it. So just back.